10वीच्या या उजळणी व्हिडिओ सत्रामध्ये आपलं मनापासून मी स्वागत करतोय। महाराष्ट्र राज्य स्टेट बोर्ड एग्जाम साठी कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री हा जो टॉपिक आहे तो आपण उजळणीसाठी निवडलेला आहे। या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये 4 points are given and their coordinates are given। 4 बिंदू आणि त्यांचे सहनिर्देशक दिलेले आहेत। तेव्हा चौकोनाचा प्रकार, व्हॉट इज द टाइप ऑफ दॅट कोऑर्डिनेट, या ग्रुप मधली एक्झाम्पल्स आपण लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघितलेले आहेत। आता आपण हा जो व्हिडिओ तयार करत आहोत रिव्हिजन उजळणीच्या सत्रामध्ये, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्झर्व इक्विडिस्टंट पॉइंट। Meaning of equidistant point, you can see that if P is any point there and A point is there and B point is there, so distance of P from A and distance of P from B, you can compare the length of PA and length of PB. So only by observation also you can decide that distance PB is greater than distance P. So P is not equidistant from B and A. P point is not equidistant from A and B. Now if we draw segment AB and if we know that the midpoint, you know about the midpoint, so what is that midpoint there? M is midpoint, MA and MB are distance equal, MA is equal to MB, so M is equidistant from A and B. M point is equidistant from A and B, and if we draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment AB, perpendicular bisector, and if we consider any point on the perpendicular bisector, suppose P is there, and you know that PA and PB, PA and PB equal, so it is called that P is equidistant from A and B. Point P is equidistant from A and B. Even though you know about any point N, if it is on the perpendicular bisector of segment AB, and if you see that NA and NB, N is equidistant from A and B. So this is about equidistant point. For that, you know that distance NB and distance NA are equal. So in that case, see that in the example, coordinates are given. P point coordinates are x and y, and suppose this is P point and this is A point and this is B point. So what is given in the example? P point is equidistant from A and B, and show that the relation between x and y, that is given there. So you can draw the rough diagram for the example for your understanding. First example, equidistant point is there. So what is the solution for that? Let P is the point whose coordinates are x and y, and about the first point let it be A. So what is that? A point like this, and another point B like this, and coordinates of B are 3, 5, and coordinates of A are 7, 1. So what is given in the example? PA and PB are equal, that is given, and coordinates of P and A are given. P are x and y. A point coordinates are 7 and 1. So we can calculate the distance PA. We can calculate the distance by which formula? x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We can use this distance formula, and if we calculate PA, that is by this formula PA, and PB also by this formula. But very interesting here, what is given in the problem, PA and PB are equal. That is given. So if we use that formula, PA and PB, we are using the same formula. And if we write that PA distance formula, what is the formula there? So consider this is your P point, second point, and this is your first point. So what is that point distance formula? x2 minus x1. So x minus 7. X minus 7 bracket square plus y minus 1 bracket square. Y minus 1. Y minus 1 bracket square. This is about PA. Similarly, you can calculate PB also. What is PB there? This is your second point, this is your first point. So x2 minus x1. So PB, it will be x minus 3. X minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 5 bracket square. You are using the distance formula. Very important to find out the relation between x and y. You think about the given information. What is given there? PA and PB are equal, that is given there. So you can use the given information, PA equidistant, PA and PB are equal. P is equidistant from A and B. But to solve this, there is under root side. Better if you square the left hand side, PA square, it will be PA square is equal to PB square. So remember that if you square PA side square, then under root is what is that square root? If it is x, then what is the square root? Square of square root x, it is x. Remember that under root is there, square root of 5 and square is there. What is that? 5. So what is the PA square? Under root sign, cancellation is there. So you are getting x minus 7 bracket square plus y minus 1 bracket square, that is PA square. Similarly, write down PB square. PB square is equal to x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 5 bracket square. So this is your important step. When you are solving, you are thinking about equidistant point. समदूर बिंदू, इक्विडिस्टंट म्हणजे समदूर. P हा A आणि B पासून समदूर आहे, समान अंतरावर आहे. तर PA आणि PB इक्वल आहे, तर PA चा वर्ग आणि PB चा वर्ग इक्वल असला पाहिजे. So further you can solve by taking the square. Remember the identity. You can solve the square twice y plus 1. What is the square of this side? X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Now x square to the left hand side, x square to the right hand side, cancellation is there. Now what about y square and y square, cancellation is there. You can think about the x variable. You can think about the x variable. So what is that? Minus 14x plus 6x. This is negative 2y. And here transfer minus 10y to the left hand side. What is that? 10y is equal to, here it is 9 plus 25, transfer 49 to the right hand side, transfer 1 to the right hand side, and try to simplify. So what is that? You are getting minus 8x plus 8y. You can see the total there. What is the total? 34 minus 50. So what is the next step you are getting there? I think minus 8x plus 8y is equal to, take the difference there, it is negative 16. Now to show that y is equal to x minus 2, we have to find out the relation. So we can divide here by 8. So if you divide by 8 here, divide by 8, you are getting minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. And last step, y is equal to transfer this negative x to the right hand side. So you are getting the required relation. So that is your first example. Equidistant point. About equidistant point. So remember that you have to take the square of both PA square and PB square, and you are getting the answer there. Second example, we have to read the example properly. What is given? We have to find out the point which is on the y-axis. It is given the point is on the y-axis and it is equidistant from M and N. That is given there. So remember that we are using again distance formula there. We are using distance formula. And what is given in the problem there? Point is on the y-axis and it is equidistant from M and N. You can think about the problem by using coordinate system. What is given there? It is on the y-axis. So point is on the y-axis. The name of that point is not given, so you can consider the point P, which is equidistant from M and N. M, you can see that M is like this. This is a rough diagram. What about N there? N is 3. What is that? N is 3, 2. 3, 2. M is negative 5, negative 2. So we have to see that P point is equidistant from M and N. So it is given that PM and PN are equal. That is given. See that P point is on the x-axis. When the point is on the x-axis, remember that x coordinate is 0 because you know that equation of y-axis, that is x is equal to 0, and we don't know the exact y coordinate. So when the point is on the y-axis, remember that let P point 0 y is equidistant from M. What is the M? It is minus 5, minus 2, and N, it is 3, 2. So is that clear? P is on the y-axis, so coordinates are 0, y we don't know, but x coordinate is 0, and PM and PN are equal, and this is given in the example. Therefore you can start like this: PM is equal to PN, PM is equal to PN, and same distance formula. By using distance formula, see that you take the square of both sides. So PM square is equal to Pn square. And what is that? 0 minus, you consider that 0 minus 5. So it will become positive plus y minus 2. Y minus 2. It will become plus 2. And to the right hand side, 0 minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square. How to use that square, Pm square and Pn square? You are using the distance formula. So root is there. Pm is equal to Pn, but we are taking the square of both sides. So what is the square of this number? It is 25. You know the square of this bracket, y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to square of this number 9, and square of this bracket y square minus 4y plus 4. Now you can see that y square and y square cancellation is there. Now find out 4y and negative 4y to the left hand side. 4y plus 4y is equal to 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, and you transfer 25 to the right hand side, 4 to the right hand side. So what is that? Negative 25, negative 4 and positive 4. Cancellation is there. What is the difference between 25 and 9? Minus 16. And what is the total here? 8y. So you can see that y is equal to negative 2. And what are the coordinates of P point, which is equidistant from M and N? So it will be 0, 0, minus 2 are the coordinates of this point P, which is on the y-axis. So that is interesting example for you. And there is another group. In that group, equidistant point, it is on the x-axis given. It is on the x-axis given. So what is the case there? It is on the x-axis. Same method, but how to think about that on the x-axis? Remember, coordinate system. What is given there? Point is on the x-axis. You can draw the rough diagram for your understanding. What is given there? It is on the x-axis. Let us solve this example. P and Q are points there. So remember that we have to consider another then. Let A is the point on the x-axis. Let A is the point on the x-axis. Then what are the coordinates of this point A? It is on the x-axis. You know that equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. So y coordinate is 0 and we don't know x coordinate. And what about the point there? It is given there, P point is there. P point somewhere approximately P point to negative 5. And Q point, what is that? 2, 9. Suppose it is minus 2, 9. It is somewhere here. Q point minus 2, 9. So what is given in the problem? AQ and AP are equal. That is given. So you can start. Let A point, which is on the, what is that? X-axis. It is on the x-axis. So what are the coordinates? X0 is equidistant from which point? I think P 2 minus 5 and Q minus 2, 9. So what is given here? You can see that AP and AQ are equal. That is given. They are equidistant. What is that? A is equidistant from P and Q. So you can use this property. So by squaring, AP square is equal to AQ square. So see that how to use AP square is equal to AQ square. Remember the formula x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus minus, so it will be positive square, y minus, same right hand side, a cube, what is that, x minus minus 2, it will be plus 2 bracket square plus 0 minus 9 bracket square. So we have to solve the equation further. This is identity x square minus 4x plus 4. You know that square is, what is that, 5 square, it is 25. Square the bracket, x square plus 4x plus 4, and what is the square of minus, it will be 81 square of minus 9. Again cancellation is there, you can see that negative 4x, and this is positive, but when you transfer to the left hand side, what is that number there, it is 4 plus 81, 4 plus 81, transfer negative 4, transfer 25, you can cancel there. So what is the difference we have to take there, this is negative 8x, and take the difference there, you can see that. So what is the value there, x is equal to negative 7. And what are the coordinates of that point which is on the x-axis? X is negative 7, and what is that, y is 0. Y is 0. So your answer is a minus 7, 0. These are the coordinates of a point. Same type example is given here. It is for your practice. So try to find out revision from the video, and when you like this, please share, like and subscribe my channel. हे व्हिडिओ तुम्ही लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करू शकता आणि कॉमेंट्स करू शकता. कोऑर्डिनेटची रिव्हिजन आपण कंटिन्यू करत आहोत. आपला व्हिडिओचा नंबर हा 6 आहे, त्यानंतर पुढे कंटिन्यू मी करणार आहे, तेव्हा या रिव्हिजनचा आपण सर्वांनी फायदा घ्यावा. थँक्यू.